Hey guys! Today we're going to be making marbled slime, so it's really simple and easy to make, so stay tuned and watch the video to see how.
For the marble slime, you will need food coloring, shaving cream, activator, which is borax and water, and finally glue.
Also, you're gonna need 2 types of colors to make this marbled slime.
For the slime, you will need 2 containers to mix it in and 1 mixing utensil.
The first step is to pour your PVA glue into your container, and you can pour as much as you want.
After you added the glue, you can then add your coloring. We chose to add blue food coloring.
You can also use paint or any other source of coloring.
After adding the food coloring, you can then mix it with the utensil.
Once the food coloring is mixed thoroughly, you can add your shaving cream to make it more fluffy. Add how much shaving cream you desire in your slime. After you added all of the ingredients, the last thing to do is add your activator of your choice. You can add borax, and that's what we're going to use in this case, and continue to mix slowly while adding the borax solution slowly also.
Once most of the slime is activated, you can start kneading the slime with your hands.
This is an optional step. You can add lotion while you're kneading the slime.
Now we're making another batch, but with a different color.
Once you got your 2 different colored slimes, you can swirl them together, and once you've swirled them together, you can put it in a container and you can watch it be pretty. Once you leave it out, it turns into a marble effect.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!